we are going to do something really special for you this evening. My name is Crystal White, and this is my daughter, Violet. And we're going to do our very special Healthy Kitty Creations meal or snack, should I say, that we like to do when we just want to have something light and fresh and nutritious, right?
Yes.
So she's going to help me do most of the work. And I'm going to talk her through everything because this is something that all children can do, whether they're in the classroom or they're at home with their parents. It's something really easy. So let's get started. So the first thing we wanted to do, of course, was to do what? What's this?
Wash our hands.
We washed our hands, right? And we made sure to clean our area and sanitize it. We also have some sanitizer on the side as well, just in case we need that after we wash our hands after we're finished. So we went and rinsed our avocados because we're going to do an avocado ranch dip. So we took 2 avocados that are about this size. Okay. Show them the size of it in your hand so they can really see. That size. So we got 2 of those. We rinsed them to get all the dirt off. We're going to have Violet also include some Greek yogurt. I don't know if you can see, but it's the Food Line brand. It was only like 90-something cents. And then we're going to include a little bit of the Hidden Valley Ranch in there with some chips. So first things first, Violet's going to use a very dull, should we say, butter knife and cut. So come on, hold it. You cut. But here, you hold it and I cut. Cut around. And you can see the one good thing about an avocado is it has very pretty on the outside and the inside. And so
It smells good.
Smells good?
Mm-hmm. It smells like butter.
Like butter. We're going to take this. We're going to use our scoop we have here. Scoop it out. And then Violet's going to smash it and make it nice and creamy.
Yeah, I can try my hair. You can squish avocado. You can make it into a bath too.
But we're not making it into a bath. We're just going to use one today because we want to make something just for like a serving of 4. You can use 2 and it'll be for a serving of 8. So we're just going to use 1 whole. So 2 halves, 1 whole.
I switch it with my hand.
All right. So now Violet's going to take, not with her hands, but a fork and smash it down while I go rinse my hands.
How do you squish stuff down?
So just take the fork and smash it down. Nope, lay it flat.
I know.
Yeah, good job. Just like that. Good. Yeah.
I got avocado on my
So you
hand.
can do it. Yeah, avocado on your hands. Okay. All right. So once we get this nice and smooth, it may take a couple tries depending on how ripe your avocado is. And your avocado is ripe when it is soft to the touch. Keep working on that. And then we're going to take, this is a 5.3 ounce, so like a single serve of some Greek yogurt. We're going to use 2 of these. Yeah. And if you don't have a fork in your classroom that you can use or on site, you can put it in a plastic bag and have your kids smash it with their hands.
That's cool.
Yep. The same effect. especially when you have a lot of kids in the classroom. That's what I used to do when I was a teacher. Didn't have a lot of resources, just put it in a bag. Kids do it. So here is the amount in here. I think Violet got it good and squished. So take this.
Ew.
That's the way. Now let's take this and put that in there. Okay, let's turn it over like this and scoop it out. Okay. It's a good source of protein, so be nice and full. Nice, good, full snack, hearty snack. All right? All right, and then I'm gonna get you another spoon, one that you can serve with.
I just stir it up. It kind of looks like a whipped cream.
Kind of looks like whipped cream.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yay.
Now we're gonna take, here you go. I'm gonna use some of this seasoning, your Hidden Valley Ranch seasoning.
Can I put it in?
Hold on, I'm gonna measure it out and then you can scoop it in there. I use for this size about 2 tablespoons.
Okay.
Good. All right, now mix it up. Be careful to get the avocado at the bottom. And then we just got some regular chips.
Is it the dipper gonna dip it in the chips?
Mix it all up in there, and it's kind of like a regular ranch dip, but it's healthier because it has Greek yogurt instead of sour cream, which can be really heavy. And
The camera kind of looks like people see whipped cream.
is that what it looks like?
See, looking for it.
Yeah, it does. Now that you say that, if you want to make it a little bit more greener, which I think I do, but
I'm gonna make it a little green.
a little bit more greener.
I can add.
You can add more, right?
I can add more. Can I scoop it up this time?
Yes, you can.
Mm-hmm.
I'll take it here, put it into this one, scoop it out, put it in there. I mean, yes, you're right, in there. And I'm gonna go rinse this off. Sometimes when it's not as ripe as we want it to be, it's kind of hard to get it out, which is the problem here. So, I'm gonna throw all of that away. No, we don't need to use that one. We're just gonna use half. Remember the seed? Not a ball, it's the seed. So I'm gonna have you mix all of this in. Go wash your hands.
Again?
Yeah, again. You have things on your hands, so you need your hands clean. You gotta wash your hands. So again, the key is to make sure your avocado is ripe, so you're not struggling like I am right now. This is the best that we can get at the store. I think I got it nice and smooth. All right, go ahead and
Don't get in there.
yep. Use the spoon.
Okay.
enough. Now it's getting a little bit more gray. All right. It's a good thing to make during Dr. Seuss month. So make green eggs and ham, and you can make avocado ranch because it's all green. Good, 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 good. So, get it all mixed up. I think I might just add, since we have a little bit more in here, maybe half of a teaspoon.
All right.
There you go. Pour it in there and mix it up. All right, and that is pretty much it. And this is what it looks like. Let's see if the light up let us show how it looks.
People can't really see it.
You can't see it, huh?
No,
Well, it's green, and it's yummy, and it's creamy. Let's see if we turn the light off. You might
Let's
be able
do
to
this.
see. It's a little bit better. Okay. And then all you do is you can use fresh vegetables like carrots or broccoli to eat with it. That's one of my favorite things to eat with it. Or you can eat it like a regular dip
Chips.
and use chips.
We have to try it first. But that's
Chips.
Let's skip it.
Get a little bit on there. So. We hope that you enjoy it.
Bye.